everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm sharing with you guys the coupons that we'll be getting this Sunday. There are actually some decent coupons and there's some okay coupons. I am pretty excited to get some of these coupons, but I always just kind of Google search coupons and whatever Sunday it's going to come out, and the site that I'm sharing with you guys today is moolasavingmom.com. So these are the inserts. It looks like we'll be getting 2 inserts, 1 Retail Me Not and 1 Smart Source. So I'm just going to share with you guys what we will be getting. So in the Retail Me Not, we're getting a $2 off Burt's Bees charcoal powder. I'm not sure what that is. I don't know if that's toothpaste or something. It kind of sounds like it, but I don't know. Then we got a 50 cents off Burt's Bees toothpaste and then a $1 off regular Burt's Bees toothpaste. Now I know there is a deal with the kids stuff, but I don't know if that's for all month long or if it's just for this week, but I should look into that. And then we have a $1 off Crest toothpaste, which is a pretty good deal if you guys want to get some of those $7 register rewards at Walgreens. Then we're getting a $1 off the Dial foam hand wash, $2 off the body wash, $2 off Gain, and Gain. So those $2 off coupons are great. I guess it's a 3 off a 32 count, but that's a pretty good deal right there. And then we got $2.50 off the homemade simple detergent and a $1 off. And then we're getting Maybelline Sugar Stay or Super Stay lip products. We're getting a 2 off of 1. And then Purina renews its buy 4 get 2 free. I like it when Saving Star has deals for that, but they haven't had deals like that for a while. $1.50 off the Renews It oils, and then buy 2 get 1 free of the Right Guard Extreme. So those coupons, I know a lot of those coupons. I probably only get like maybe 1 or 2 of those coupons. My area gets really bad coupons for that stuff. And then there's going to be a $1 off the Tide Simply Liquid or the pods. And then here is the Smart Source. We're getting adult Motrin, Allegra, Chobani yogurt. Now we're getting more CoverGirl coupons. I feel like we get CoverGirl coupons every 2 weeks. But we got $2 off, $1 off, and $2 off. And then Danimals 6 packs, $1 off of 2. I like those coupons. And then we're getting a $1 off of 1 Downy Wrinkle Releaser, $2 off Downy Wrinkle Releaser, Duke Mayo, Eating Well, and then we're getting Kotex, $2 off of 2 for the liners. It's just the one. I think we're supposed to get other ones. I think there might have been a misprint because it's usually the liners and then the tampons and then the other ones. So there might be some missing. Actually, they're down below, so never mind. We're getting a $1 off of 1 Listerine, Matcha Bulk, Mitchum Curve, Mitchum Deodorant, $1 off of 1. Applesauce, Nabisco Cookies, 75 cents off of 2. We're getting Nasal Cord, Pediasure, Quaker State Bars, $1 off of 2. Rohoto, now I know there's a deal. I cannot get this highlighted. There is a deal on Ibotta unless it expires by the time we get these coupons, but there is some $5 off deals on Ibotta, so we could get some freebies, but most likely it's probably going to end by the time we get these. $1 off of 3 General Mills cereals, $1 off Super Pretzels, and then here is the 2 off of 2 for Kotex and tampons. Welch's Fruit and Yogurt, Welch's Fruit Snacks, and Zyzel. So those are the inserts that we will be getting this Sunday, so you guys kind of have an idea of what you guys get. Start paying attention because like I know I get probably half of those coupons. My inserts will probably be super lame, but just kind of keep track of what you guys do if you guys are a newbie starting out. Keep track of what you guys get because most likely you probably will not get those coupons in the future and other inserts. So just sharing with you guys on that. But I hope you guys have a nice day and thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.